In the last hour, we've learned a local doctor who performed an abortion on a 10-year-old rape victim has sent a cease and desist letter to the Indiana Attorney General, and the AG has responded in just the last 15 minutes. The attorney for Dr. Caitlin Bernard wants Todd Rokita to quit making false statements about her. This letter says, quoting here, "Your false and defamatory statements to Fox News on July 13th cast Dr. Bernard in a false light and allege misconduct in her profession." That statement goes on to say they're concerned the accusations could incite harassment or violence from the public and prevent Dr. Bernard from practicing medicine. Now, the Attorney General sent us this response to the letter saying, quote, "Like any correspondence, it will be reviewed if and when it arrives. Regardless, no false or misleading statements have been made." Now, those statements come tonight as IU Health says it is standing by Dr. Bernard. Now, this morning, IU Health sent out a statement because of all the scrutiny she faces, and 13 Investigates decided today to look into this doctor's background because of all the attention this case has received. So today, 13 Investigates reporter Cierra Putman started searching for court and state documents involving Dr. Bernard, and this is what she found.
Here in Indiana, there's lots of ways to look into the background of a doctor. Now, the first place that we looked was at the Indiana Professional Licensing Agency's website to use its search and verify tool. This portal quickly showed us Dr. Caitlin Bernard has 3 active licenses. 2 she's had for 5 years, so her licenses are in good standing. We next checked the Medical Licensing Board's website to see if she was ever disciplined. The board is responsible for disciplining doctors. The stiffest penalties include suspending or revoking a license. When you look up Dr. Bernard's name, there are no cases involving her, which means she has not been disciplined in the past. We also checked to see if she was involved in any malpractice cases. We found one claim filed in April of this year accusing Eskenazi Health and several healthcare workers of negligence in the case of a baby that died. It was not connected to an abortion procedure. That case is still going through the process of being reviewed. On Fox, the Attorney General said this.
We have this abortion activist acting as a doctor with a history of failing to report.
Failing to report is a misdemeanor, meaning there could be criminal charges. We checked the state courts. We did not find any criminal case involving Dr. Bernard. Medical malpractice attorney Ashley Hadler also looked into the doctor's background and didn't find HIPAA complaints, although some of those records are confidential.
Her identity has remained protected, which would tend to show that there was not actually a HIPAA violation here.
So based off all of this, there's no history that we could find of Dr. Bernard having a disciplinary history or a history of breaking state law.